a leading steel ball manufacturing service provider in the industry. We have always been committed to providing reliable wear-resistant steel ball solutions for global customers with a production system that is fully controllable throughout the process, fully covered in specification, and fully guaranteed throughout the cycle. The company has invested heavily in building a digital and intelligent casting base, equipped with 5 fully automated production lines, 5 sets of advanced heat treatment furnaces, and a full-spectrum composition analyzer imported from Germany. It has formed a stable annual production capacity of 100,000 tons of various steel balls, which can meet the large-scale order demands of all specifications from 5.6 millimeters to 150 millimeters. The maximum monthly supply volume of a single batch and a single specification can reach 5,000 tons. The entire process cycle from raw material smelting to finished product delivery is controlled within 7 working days.